I'm Rachel Sloan from Rachel Sloan Partnerships Limited, which is a media production and training company, but I'm the Honorary Press Officer for the Suffolk Historic Churches Trust. I knew what I wanted on the site and was able to put a report together for the trustees saying we need pictures of people rather than just churches. It needs to be much more interactive, have the capacity to include news stories and really be up to date. And they were a bit worried because they're not IT based, they don't know about technology, and said, oh gosh, that sounds expensive and difficult. And I said, well, let's find a way of doing it. I'm not brilliant technically either, so I needed something that was easy, user-friendly to update and to use. It was strange because we could have just got lots of quotes and lots of ideas and looked at lots of sites, but I knew that Ruth had just worked on the Ipswich and Suffolk Small Business Association website, and everyone was very pleased. I'm on the committee, and everyone was very pleased with how that was working. And so we cut a bit of time and effort involved with the trustees and said, why not? They've gone through all the research, why don't we just use them? And we haven't regretted that decision at all. It's come on tremendously in just over a year since we've had it. We've been able to put on those news reports, and we've just had the Just Giving website attached to it. So now people can even download the money and not have to collect their sponsorship or do any of the other things that took the time and might have put them off before. If any other charity wants to revamp their website or perhaps have their first ever website, I definitely suggest they get in touch with Virya, because Ruth just understands how some of us are not technically minded. We might know what we want to say, we might be able to write the words, but how we get that actually into action on the website. She has endless patience, so sat with us, talked us through, and I've now been able to pass on that knowledge to trustees and to other members with the charity, so they're now able to update that themselves.